ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in 2015. Founder of OpenAI includes Elon Musk. ChatGPT was launched in 2022. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT mainly uses large language models, जिन्हें LLMs भी कहते हैं. ChatGPT communicates through text conversation. ChatGPT belongs to which field? Artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is mainly used for content generation. ChatGPT technology is based on natural language processing. OpenAI image generator is DALL-E. ChatGPT uses which AI model architecture? Transformer. ChatGPT can assist in coding, writing, and translation. ChatGPT models are trained using large datasets. ChatGPT belongs to which type of AI? Generative AI. Next, Google Gemini से related हम questions देखेंगे. Gemini is developed by Google. Gemini was previously called Bard. Gemini is a type of AI chatbot. Gemini belongs to which company? Google. Google's AI research division is Google DeepMind. Google AI framework is TensorFlow. Gemini assists users in search, writing, and coding. Google Voice Assistant is Google Assistant. Gemini belongs to which AI category? Generative AI. Gemini is integrated into YouTube, Gmail, and Google Workplace. Next, Claude AI is developed by Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021. Claude is named after Claude Shannon. Claude AI is mainly designed for safe AI conversations. Anthropic focuses mainly on AI safety and alignment. Claude belongs to AI chatbots. Claude competes with ChatGPT. Claude models include Claude 1, Claude 2, and Claude 3. Claude technology is based on large language models. Claude AI specializes in long document analysis. Grok is developed by xAI. xAI was founded by Elon Musk. Grok AI is integrated into X means Twitter. इसका old name था Twitter. Grok was introduced in 2023. Grok is mainly designed for real-time social media insights. Grok competes with ChatGPT. Grok belongs to which type of AI? Generative AI chatbot. Copilot is developed by Microsoft. Copilot uses models from OpenAI. Copilot is integrated into Windows, Microsoft Office, and GitHub. GitHub Copilot helps developers in code generation. Microsoft Copilot works mainly as AI assistant. Copilot can help users in writing documents, creating presentations, and data analysis. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. AI models learn from data. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. LLM stands for Large Language Model. AI image generation tools include DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. ये तीनों इसमें शामिल होंगे. Programming language widely used in AI, Python. AI that creates new content is called generative AI. Deepfakes are created using artificial intelligence. AI recommendation systems are used by YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon. AI that performs only specific tasks is called narrow AI. AI inspired by the human brain is called neural networks. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Training an AI model means teaching AI using data. AI models improve through learning from data. Example of generative AI tool is ChatGPT. AI chatbot communicates mainly using natural language. AI tools that generate images include Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E. AI recommendation systems are used in YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon. AI models require large amounts of data. LLMs are mainly used for language understanding and generation. डीप फेक्स जो है वो होती है एआई जनरेटेड फेक वीडियोस के लिए बनाने के लिए. Programming language commonly used in AI, Python. AI decision making uses algorithms. AI analyzing huge datasets is called big data analytics. Speech recognition technology uses artificial intelligence. AI translation tools rely on natural language processing. AI assistants answer user queries. AI automation mainly reduces human workload. AI models process input called prompts. AI generated responses depend on training data. AI development belongs to which field? Computer science. Which AI platform is developed by OpenAI? ChatGPT. Which AI platform is developed by Google Gemini? Claude AI belongs to Anthropic. Grok AI is developed by xAI. Microsoft's AI assistant is Copilot. Gemini replaced which Google chatbot? Bard. Grok is integrated into X Twitter. Copilot assists mainly in productivity tasks. Claude AI focuses strongly on AI safety. ChatGPT model architecture uses transformer. Gemini AI belongs to generative AI. Copilot integrates with Windows, Office, and GitHub. Grok AI provides real-time information from X. ChatGPT image generator is DALL-E. AI coding assistant by Microsoft is GitHub Copilot. Gemini integrates with Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Workplace. The full form of GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is an example of AI chatbot. Meta AI is developed by Meta or previous name था इसका Facebook. Meta AI is integrated in Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Founder of Meta is Mark Zuckerberg. Meta AI is mainly assists users in search, chat, and content assistance. Google's AI chatbot is called Gemini. Gemini was previously known as Bard. Google Assistant is an example of AI virtual assistant. Microsoft AI chatbot is called Copilot. Copilot is integrated in Microsoft Office and Windows. Copilot uses technology from OpenAI. Microsoft AI search engine chatbot is Bing AI. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates. Amazon's AI assistant is Alexa. Apple's AI assistant is Siri. IBM's famous AI system is Watson. AI image generator developed by OpenAI is DALL-E. ये most repeated questions हैं in competitive exams. AI art generated Midjourney is mainly used for image generation. AI that understands human language is called natural language processing. AI systems learn from data. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. AI that generates text, images, and music is called generative AI. Training AI requires large datasets. AI chatbots can help in writing content, coding, and translation. AI platforms can be used in education, healthcare, and business. AI can help programmers by suggesting and generating code. AI tools used for image creation include Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E. AI tools can assist in research, content writing, and data analysis. One risk of AI platforms is misinformation. AI ethics deals with responsible use of AI. Bias in AI occurs when training data is unbalanced. Privacy concerns in AI relate to user data protection. AI regulation aims to ensure safe AI use. Face recognition in phones uses Artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars use AI and machine learning. Recommendation system on Netflix or YouTube use AI algorithms. Spam email filtering uses AI and machine learning. Language translation apps use natural language processing. Programming language widely used in AI is Python. A popular AI development framework by Google, TensorFlow. PyTorch is developed by Meta. AI models are trained using algorithms. Neural networks are inspired by human brain. AI assistants respond mainly through text or voice. AI chatbots stimulate human conversation. AI-generated text tools include ChatGPT. AI image tools include Midjourney. AI coding assistants include GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is owned by Microsoft. AI's voice assistants include Alexa. AI search assistant by Google is Gemini. AI technology improves through training. Artificial intelligence learning from experience is called machine learning. AI voice cloning tools use deep learning. AI created fake videos are called deep fakes. AI helps programmers by debugging code. The term AI was introduced in 1956. The father of AI is John McCarthy. इसकी एग्जैक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन मुझे नहीं पता, तो आप काइंडली इसको देख लीजिएगा. AI research started at the Dartmouth Conference. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. AI that performs a specific task is called narrow AI. AI that equals human intelligence is called artificial general intelligence. AI that surpasses human intelligence is super AI. AI models learn from data. Algorithms are used for decision-making processes. Deep learning is part of machine learning. AI models require large amounts of training data. AI-generated content is called generative AI. Speech recognition uses artificial intelligence. Natural language processing deals with human language. Natural language processing NLP stands for natural language processing. LM stands for large language model. Chatbots stimulate human conversation. AI coding assistants help write programming code. AI image tools generate images from text prompts. AI recommendation systems are used in Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon. AI models improve through training. Programming language widely used in AI is Python. AI analyzes large datasets called big data. AI translation tools use natural language processing. AI automation reduces human workload. AI assistant respond to user prompts. AI decision-making uses algorithms. AI research belongs mainly to computer science. AI-powered robots are examples of automation systems. AI voice assistants respond through voice commands. AI learning without labeled data is unsupervised learning. AI learning with labeled data is supervised learning. Reinforcement learning uses rewards and penalties. AI systems analyze patterns in data. AI assistants are examples of intelligent systems. The goal of AI is to assist humans with intelligent tasks. यहाँ पे एक तरह से रिवीजन हो रही है आपके समराइज्ड फॉर्म में MCQs की. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT was launched in 2022. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT belongs to generative AI. OpenAI was founded in 2015. Google's AI chatbot is Gemini. Gemini was previously called BART. Gemini is developed by Google. Google's voice assistant is Google Assistant. Gemini integrates with Google Workspace. Claude AI is developed by Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021. Claude AI focuses on AI safety. Claude models include Claude 1, 2, and 3. Claude is named after Claude Shannon. Grok AI is developed by xAI. XAI was founded by Elon Musk. Grok is integrated into X Twitter. Grok was introduced in 2023. Grok provides real-time social media insights. Microsoft AI assistant is Copilot. Copilot uses models from OpenAI. Copilot integrates with Microsoft Office. GitHub Copilot helps in code generation. Copilot is integrated into Windows. AI image generator by OpenAI is DALL-E. AI art generator is Midjourney. Open source image model is Stable Diffusion. AI video generator examples Runway AI. AI coding assistant example GitHub Copilot. AI writing tool example ChatGPT. AI research assistant example Perplexity AI. AI voice assistant example Alexa. Apple AI assistant Siri. IBM AI system Watson. AI chatbot by Meta AI. Meta AI integrates with Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Meta CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. Google parent company is Alphabet. Amazon AI assistant is Alexa. AI search assistant example Perplexity AI. AI design tool example Canva AI. AI coding platform example Replit AI. AI presentation generator is Beautiful AI. AI video generator is Synthesia. AI music generator is Iva. AI speech generator is 11 Labs. AI art model is Midjourney. AI chatbot competitor of ChatGPT is Claude. AI chatbot competitor of Gemini is ChatGPT. AI assistants operate through natural language. AI platforms are accessed via internet. AI chatbots rely on large language models. AI prompts are user inputs. AI output is generated through model predictions. AI model training requires datasets. AI inference means producing answers from trained models. AI hallucination means incorrect AI generated information. AI alignment means ensuring AI follows human values. This was all for today. Thank you and stay blessed.